Alright, let's check the weather, man. God, isn't it beautiful down here, man? Oh, it's perfect. A little cloudy today. It's supposed to rain, but we're gonna go fishing anyway. So, yeah. Oh, first squirrel I've seen. We got owls out here that nest in the ground. Alright, guys, come here, man. I have let me go aside from this. Alright, man. I just watched a very, very, very interesting video, okay, for all you flat earthers that agree with me. Okay, this is the best I've ever seen. This is the best I've ever seen. These guys let a GoPro up, okay? This is a 2-hour and 36-minute long video, okay? They let a GoPro up into space, okay? They launched it from Florida, where I'm at. The first 100 feet, as soon as they let this thing go, it was showing around Earth, okay? So you could see the fisheye, and then it went to flat Earth, and then it went to convex Earth, okay? All the way up to space, okay? So that shows you how easily they use these cameras to get the round Earth, okay? It's okay, the fisheye lens. Now pay attention here. This thing went. Let me put it to you this way, guys. Once this thing hit space, supposedly now the Earth has no drag up on it, okay? It's in space now, so the Earth is floating around and it's moving at 1,000 miles per hour according to your government, according to scientists. So in other words, guys, the Earth was moving 17 miles per minute underneath this thing once it gets into space. Actually, it should be moving 17 miles per minute once it leaves the Earth, to be theoretically correct. Okay, but it doesn't matter. We're going to go ahead and go with what these so-called brainiacs who know it all, okay, they're lying to you. Okay, so anyway, this thing goes up to space. And it's showing a curved Earth, then it shows a flat Earth, then it shows a concave Earth, okay, so there you have it. Okay, now, here's the real kicker. Theoretically, okay, this camera, when it comes down, okay, let me give you guys something now. The amount of time that it was up there, the Earth underneath it should have traveled 2,652 miles. Okay, that is a distance from Florida to New York, and then another New York, and then another half of New York. So you're way up past the top of Canada. You guys seeing what I'm saying? That's how far away that camera should land, because the Earth was spinning underneath it, because that camera was where? It was up in space. Does everybody understand that? It was up in space like the astronauts that are putting on their little show, and they come down, and this camera should have landed somewhere past up in Canada out in the ocean, okay? Now get this. It came down in this video. Guess where it landed? Almost exactly where it took off, in Florida. You can still see the same place, the same ocean line, where it took off. It landed in looked like a forest preserve, and they got the palm trees down there that you could see, so it's obviously Florida, not Africa. But anyway, guys, there you have it. You have a camera, a GoPro, they sent up into space, and it came down in the exact same spot. That's even after it hits the winds that are up there, the jet streams or whatever's going on, supposedly. Okay, and then there you have it. Watch the video. You can fast forward through certain parts all the way to the end, whatever you want to do. But this to me is absolute solid proof that the Earth is not spinning 1,000 miles per hour under your feet. Okay, I've put a video down below on flat Earth. The Bible supports the flat Earth. I'm going to go with flat Earth. I don't care what anybody says, man. Okay, this video here, this is the best I've seen. Literally the best I've seen. You have a camera, went up to space, stayed up in space for a certain amount of time, came back down, landed almost pinpoint right where it took off. Case closed, man. That's all there is to it.